Hey, you want to make fluid art just like this? Let me show you how. Step 1. Mix your paints until they have a heavy cream consistency. Step 2. Pour your paints on a canvas. Step 3. Blow your paints around with a blow dryer. Uh-oh, looks like we got a little bit of a mishap. All right, Mrs. Martinez, can you tell me what you did wrong?
I put too much paint?
No. Before that, can anyone tell me Mrs. Martinez's big mistake? Anyone? Oh, let's take a look at the tape. Here we go. All right. There. See? The consistency. She's got it all wrong. And having the wrong consistency is the worst mistake any artist can do because...
Because it could turn out clumpy?
It could turn out like a child's finger painting. Listen, you don't need to struggle with paint mixing or getting the consistency right for your pours, especially when my paint mixing workshop has a huge discount right now. So click the button below and let me show you how to mix your paints like a pro.